Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nolus protocol token. Ticker symbol is NLS. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Nolus protocol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So I said token earlier. I mean, you could use them interchangeably, but technically this is a coin. Runs on its own blockchain, its own explorer. You could check out at explorer.nolus.io. Now, this coin is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global, November 7th at 12 o'clock UTC time. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do basically is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NLS, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. You can find their Twitter at Nolus Protocol. I'm going to throw that up on the screen right here so you guys can easily find that. Blue verified check mark on there, 14,000 followers. It says triple your holdings without tripling your risk. Unlock the full potential of assets. And then it has a full link tree that you can see up there that's going to take you to anywhere you need to go to find information about this project. So Nolus is an interoperable app chain built using Cosmos SDK that aims to tackle inefficiencies in CeFi and DeFi money markets. So decentralized finance and centralized finance money markets. There is a total supply of 1 billion NLS coins. They do have a Telegram you could follow as well. Their Telegram is at Nolus Protocol. They only have 478 subscribers on the Telegram so far. When you go to their webpage, nolus.io, you can also find a full white paper, 42-page white paper, very extensive. And their application. You can launch their application. It says they've been featured in Bitcoinist and Be in Crypto, Cointelegraph. So there's some news articles you could check out regarding Nolus. And it says Nolus Protocol is a Web3 financial suite that offers an innovative approach to money markets with a novel lease solution to develop the DeFi space further. So the DeFi lease defines a money market between lenders looking to earn yield on stablecoins and borrowers looking to borrow more digital assets than their current equity. To borrow assets, the borrower locks up a down payment as collateral and can leverage their holdings in the preferred digital asset. So the Nolus DeFi lease provides up to 150% financing on the initial investment, where the user retains ownership over the digital asset. The Nolus DeFi lease comes with lower margin calls and total costs, all wrapped up in an intuitive and easy to use user interface. Now the Nolus protocol utilizes a lightning fast layer 1 blockchain built with Cosmos SDK. It is a decentralized censorship-resistant medium with little to no additional cost for transactions and no custody over the user's funds. So our firm conviction is that with the popularity of DeFi solutions, This will only increase in the future, and as a result, current market participants will increase their holdings and involvement, while newcomers with limited or no financial background will enter this asset class. However, there are many obstacles that must be tackled before the sector reaches the conflicting point of mass adoption. So they have problems and solutions on here. So some of their solutions here is Nolus DeFi Leases provides financing of up to 150% of the initial investment, thus reducing the level of collateralization by a factor of 3. Nolus DeFi leases a 40% lower liquidation rate compared to the market average, all parameters equal. With Nolus, total costs of financing and transactions are low. The never-changing interest rate is locked at contract creation with little to no additional cost for transactions. With Nolus, ownership lies within the user. With Nolus, the user enjoys a quick and clear experience wrapped up in an intuitive and easy-to-use UI with simplified onboardings and processes. The price of the desired asset is locked and at the contract creation date, and the customer can use the asset's price appreciation in the future to repay the initial cost of the investment and has full ownership over the underlying asset. Inclusive, intuitive, and easy-to-use solution to empower mainstream adoption, Nolus Protocol aims to merge the boundaries between TradeFi and DeFi in a holistic experience, leveraging various financial instruments and the advantages of decentralized finance. So you can, there's the lease, there's the manage, there's a swap, there's the ramp, you can earn yield, and you can stake. So they have a section about their cross-chain lease protocol on their webpage, talking about over-collateralization, asset ownership, risk of liquidation. So it's obviously learn in depth about all of these features before using them, of course. And the NLS token. As an active stakeholder, you will be rewarded for participation in the underlying consensus of the network and contribute to governing the protocol's future development. Your involvement matters, and you get to shape the future of the Nolus protocol. And as a stakeholder, you will enjoy reduced interest rates on asset leverage through DeFi leases, and when providing liquidity, you experience improved rates on your supplied stablecoins. Now, it's backed by tons of partners on here. They have a list of at least 12 partners on there. They have a full white paper, knowledge hub, GitHub, blog, terms of use, cookie policy, Discord group, their application, Twitter, Telegram, and you can stay up to date by subscribing to a newsletter. Check it all out, nolus.io. Check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc global one down there in the description box, because that's where this token will be listed as of November 7th. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.